Parang mapapawaw sila kasi parang, oh wow, ang galing mo namang mag-edit. Pero hindi nila alam, si Quick ang gumawa nun at hindi ikaw. Hi, welcome! My name is Mabel Vasala. I talk about social media content creations. Magbibigay po ako ng mga ideas and tips kung paano gumawa ng social media content and also how to use an application, how to creatively make a content, and other interesting na related sa social media content creations. So if you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification para ma-notify po kayo ng aking mga next uploaded videos. For this video, we're going to talk about an application na ginagamit ko pag gumagawa ko ng photo montage or a collections of photos na ginagawa ko into videos or a combination of photos and videos into one video na upgraded than photo slideshow. Before, ang usong-usong gawin sa social media is photo slideshow. But, iba ang Quick because it elevates your video content into more interesting, more catchy, more attractive videos with a combination of your photos and videos. Ang Quick is an application from GoPro. A GoPro is a little camera that is being used pag nag-travel or for other purposes, pwede ding under the water and in any type of weather, ginagamit yung GoPro. So, gumawa sila ng application where they can simply edit their photos or videos combined together ng napaka-simpleng paraan, napaka-easy way para makapag-produce ka agad ng outcome. To start, sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa application na to at sasabihin ko rin yung mga hindi ko nagustuhan before we jump into the step-by-step using our smartphone. Siguro gumagamit pa kayo ng ibang application para magawa ng photo montage. Probably gumagamit pa kayo ng Adobe softwares like Premiere Pro or gumagamit pa kayo ng animated softwares. Pero dito kasi sa Quick, pwede mo siyang gamitin just only using your phone. Kaya napakadali niyang gamitin. Bilis siyang mag-render. Madali mo siyang ma-export. Facebook man yan, Instagram, or YouTube. Magagamit mo yung Quick application sa phone mo ng mabilis lang. What I like about Quick is number one, hindi basic ang kanyang transitions. Ang basic transitions like fade, dissolve, wipe, block, yung mga gano'n, yung basic lang. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa Quick na to is pag naglagay ka ng photos and videos and pinlay mo siya, meron na siyang transition. Automatic na meron na siyang transition. Because sinusundan ng transition yung music, first yung music, second yung tema kung anong pinili mo. Nakakatuwa doon, bibigyan ka ni Quick ng mga interesting, attractive, tsaka mga catchy na transition. Yun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko at yun yung mas napapansin ng mga tao once na in-upload mo sa social media. Parang mapapawaw sila kasi parang, oh wow, ang galing mo namang mag-edit. Pero hindi nila alam, si Quick ang gumawa nun at hindi ikaw. Kasi automatic siya. So kung ikaw yung tao na wala ka ng time para mag-edit, kailangan mo na may post sa social media, gusto mo yung, syempre ipopost mo sa social media is maganda, attractive, better use Quick application. Second thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa Quick application ito is meron siyang sariling free music as in libre. Ang dami kang pagpipilian. You have choices also depending on the tema. Meron siyang friendship, may travel, may cinematic, may parang old style, merong love. So, you have the options na pwede mong gamitin na libre. The third thing that I like about this photo montage video application is pwede mong gamitin yung mga downloaded music mo, like your favorite music. Last time I have a client na nag-request ng specific music para sa kanyang photo montage and ito yung nilagay ko. Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hindi hiling. So, I guess, alam niyo naman yung kanta na kinanta ko, no? Yun yung nalagay kong kanta dun sa photo montage nila and they really love it and I'm happy about it. Now, I'm going to tell you the things that I don't like about this application. First, sometimes mga downloaded music na gusto mong ilagay sa video na yon ay hindi ma-read ng application. Diba kasi may automatic transition siya, may beat na sinusundan kasi. Yung beat ng music sinusundan ng application and nilalagay niya, ina-apply niya dun sa video mo. Pag hindi na-read yung music, Kasi sasabihan ka naman na hindi siya mag-work. So, sayang. Kasi lalo na kung may favorite na song kang gusto mong gamitin, hindi mo talaga siya magagamit. Ayun na isa sa mga hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya. And the second reason na hindi ko gusto about the Quick GoPro is kapag dinilit mo yung ine-edit mo doon sa application, kahit na kapag export ka na ng video, yung tapos mo ng edit na video, na di-delete yung video. So, para bang sayang naman yung effort na pinagawa mong pag-edit, tapos mabubura lang pala. Pero, meron tayong solution dyan. You have to transfer your exported video to another folder para keep mo yung video na yon. Or pwede mo i-transfer sa PC mo or sa laptop mo para may copy ka na talaga. Na kahit i-delete mo yung editing file doon sa application, meron ka pa din or na-keep mo pa din yung you exported videos. The third thing that I don't like about this photo montage to video application is hindi mo siya magagamit sa desktop kung wala kang GoPro account. Well, reasonable naman dahil si QuickEye GoPro application, so understandable naman na syempre na hindi talaga lahat na ibibigay ng mga hindi GoPro account users. Pero luckily, we can still use it. We can still use our smartphone. We can download it from Play Store sa iPhone din. And madali pa nga gamitin kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin using your phone. So let's start, and now I'm going to bring you inside my phone at papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko i-edit yung mga videos or photo to videos or mismong videos na using a quick application from GoPro. Alright, so ngayon nakikita nyo ng aking cellphone and we're going to open the quick application. Like I said earlier, you can download it sa Play Store pati na din sa Apple. But of course, we can only use this sa mobile phone, especially if we don't have the GoPro application. The first thing that we are going to do once we open the application is to add our files. Whatever you wanted to edit para sa inyong social media content, either it is photo and video, or photo lang, or video lang, you can add it. So for this video, I'm going to add only my videos. I only click the plus button doon sa lower right corner ng aking phone. Now you just have to look for the folder where you save your files or yung photo nyo, yung video nyo. Now, here, I'm just adding my videos. And of course, click check. The first thing that Quick will ask you is to add a title intro. Ito yung makikita mo sa first scene ng iyong video. You know what? Alam mo yung nag-iikot-ikot na yan? Si Quick na mismo yung gumagawa ng lahat ng editing, lahat ng kailangan mo para sa iyong video. Quick is just simply telling you that you can just add your title and that's it. You can already export this video, you can already upload this to your social media, and we are done. That's it. Which is basically ganun naman talaga ang purpose ng ating Quick. That's why it's called Quick. But, syempre, meron din naman mga options for you to edit para mas personalize mo siya, mas ma-edit, mas maging mas akma siya based dun sa gusto mong gawin. Now, I'm going to walk you through inside the Quick application. The first thing that you're gonna see is in the middle are files na nilagay mo, photos or videos. Of course, meron tayong pause and play button. Yung pencil icon na yan means is you can edit your files. You can edit your photos. Then, ito naman yung mga colorful na to na sa baba. Dramy, action box, love slice, and so on. Ito yung mga tema na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nako, you have to download the application para makita nyo yung different theme at makita nyo kung ano yung mga different transitions, different music, automatic music na nilalagay nila, different colors, different text na makikita nyo. Base doon sa tema na mapipili nyo. Either it is drama, action, box, love. For example, yung video na ilalagay mo or photos na ilalagay mo is more on adventure or trip like night out. Pwede mo ilagay yung tema mo in action. Ganon. So, you really have to download this application so you can see by yourself. Because kung iisa-isahin ko pa sa inyo, it will take really long time. So, baba ng tema na nakikita nyo is yung may tatlong icon na naman doon. Yun sa leftmost is yung tema, which is the default. Ito yung unang makikita. Kasi pwede ka mamili ng different tema depende sa outcome ng iyong social media content. Next, in the middle, you can see the music icon. Once you open it, makikita mo na maraming option. Like I said earlier, maraming option ka makikita para sa mga iba't ibang klaseng music na pwede mong ilagay sa video mo. And then, sa pinakadulo, you also have an option to put no sound, no music, and yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na pwede nyo ilagay yung downloaded music nyo. And now, yung nakikita yung icon sa baba is yung settings. Basically, ito yung pinaka-format ng iyong video. So for this duration, you can expand it to the maximum. Pwede mo lang din siyang ibalik dun sa auto duration na suggested ni Quick. Pwede mo rin siyang i-minimize. Once you choose the maximum duration, si Quick na yung nag-a-adjust, re-edit sa loob ng kanyang system kung paano niya ilalagay yung mga transitions, si music and all sa loob ng iyong video. The next thing that you're gonna see is the layout. First is the cinema. Yun yung nakikita natin normally here sa YouTube na parang rectangular layout. Next, if you click it again, makikita mo naman is square. This is for a layout para naman for Instagram. And next, pag click nyo siya ulit, it will be a portrait which is very good for stories. Dahil ito ay settings, ito yung magiging main settings ng iyong video. Kumbaga, ito yung magiging outcome ng iyong video. Ito naman na nakikita nyo is filter. So, as you can see, maraming filter options kang pwedeng ilagay. Like ito, black and white, and this and that. Which, ito yung magpapa-personalize o magkakaroon ng branding ng iyong video. For example, here nilagay ko is bluebird. So, medyo bluish siya. So, all throughout the video, magiging bluish yung tema. Next is the font. Depende sa tema nilagay mo, may mga options na binibigay si Quick kung ano yung mga pwede mong ilagay na font. Merong all caps, meron ding hindi. Ito, mas makikita mo siya syempre pag naglagay ka ng title or ng caption. But since it is the overall settings, pag nilagay mo siya ng all caps, even your caption is also in all caps. Itong palette naman is the option na binibigay ni Quick para sa yung color transitions. Like here, for now is black. So the transition from the beginning, and ito naman for the transition naman ng white. And like I said in my thumbnail, itong Quick application na to is really nice kasi you have the option to put the outro on or to put it off. Basically, napakabait ni Quick application because by default, naka-off na yung outro. So, hindi na sila naglalagay talaga ng branding nila ng Quick. Diba madalas sa mga application na nada-download natin is may watermark sa dulo. Siyempre, pag may mag-post tayo ng video, ayaw din naman natin na may mga watermark yun. Kaya napakaganda nitong application nito and napaka-thankful kasi parang personalize mong in-edit yung video. Pwede mo ibigay credit kay Quick yung pag-edit ng video, pero din namang hindi. Generous naman si Quick para doon kaya acceptable din naman yan. Now, to export the video, you just have to click this blue button icon dito sa baba and click this and automatically si Quick application na nag-render at nag-download or nag-export ito sa iyong Quick folders, iyong gallery. And now, nakapag-export na tayo ng video and now we can post it on our social media application. I really think that this application is very helpful and very easy and fast lang gamitin para sa mga editing ng mga videos and photos. So, pwede ko kagad i-upload sa social media agad-agad. And hopefully, by watching this video, nakita nyo na ganun din siyang madadagdagan na naman ng editing application sa inyong mobile phone na madali nyo lang magagamit anywhere, anytime, just using your mobile phone at ma-upload nyo kagad yung videos na yun sa inyong social media. If you want to learn more in detail kung paano ina-edit ang photo or yung video dito sa Quick application, please comment down below and maybe that will be my next video. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang Quick application and gusto nyo na din gamitin ito right away, please hit the subscribe button, palike na din itong video nito, and hit nyo na din yung bell button para ma-notify po kayo for my next upload video. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you again soon. Ciao!